Hey, Crypto Warriors, I'm King, and we're back with another sponsored partnership by Zam.io, as you can see here. Zam.io, they are aiming to bring real world capital to the new economy, as it says. They're building a hybrid on-chain CeFi and DeFi ecosystem that bridges real world capital to blockchain and accelerates the transaction to the new economy, as they're calling it. I really like that play on words. And we will be talking about their ideal version of the new economy in a moment. But as you can see here, they are available on the App Store as well as Google Play. And a ton of different media sources have already reported on them as well. So again, this is for Zam.io. As you can see, they're aiming to bring infrastructure to a new era of finance. They're telling us that traditional financial markets dwarf that of the blockchain, which of course is true. The global stock market is valued at $95 trillion, while the entire crypto market is only about $2 trillion. So transitioning into the new decentralized economy requires duplicating $1 trillion of capital into blockchain. If only 1% of those stocks are locked into DeFi, over $950 billion in capitalization could be added to crypto markets. They aim to be that bridge to and from that old school way of doing things over to the new economy, as they're calling it. So they want to expand the crypto market by creating powerful, intuitive instruments that connect people and capital from traditional finance to DeFi. Now, Zam does know everyone's been waiting for their big announcement for their IDO. They finally figured it out. They're announcing that their IDO will take place on November 1st at the Lightning Launchpad. That is right, November 1st at the Lightning Launchpad. You can take part in their IDO as well. So make sure you check that out. It's a lot of news coming out as we speak for more information on that IDO. So they're aiming to do a lot. And with that, one of their primary products they hope to do it with is their Zen Wallet. As you can see, simple, powerful app to manage your crypto assets, store, manage, exchange, buy, and sell digital assets at your convenience. You can also access ready-made investment portfolios built by trading experts, which we'll be talking more about, and enjoy a safe crypto experience secured by the world's most advanced protection methods. So their wallet is actually a DeFi and CeFi wallet. They hope to build a universal wallet for CeFi and DeFi, as you can see here, that they actually did build, that brings the best features of both technologies to one powerful app. So that is something we haven't really seen a lot of. So hopefully they can harness the power of all this technology and make it work on one platform. But you can see here, users can choose whether to store their private keys and their custody secured by Binance or keep them at their possession with full control over security and seamlessly swap between wallets. Of course, you know, here at Gem Crypto, we always suggest you keep your own private keys. But here you can see their Zen Wallet, which again is on the App Store as well as the Google Play Store. But for the CeFi Trade Wallet, which again, we'll talk more about how their CeFi actually works, but it's about 0.1 to 0.2% of low fees to exchange. They have a crypto ETF, which they're talking. We'll talk more about the intelligent investment portfolios and up to 50% cashback on exchange to all Zam holders. And again, this is powered by Binance, the CeFi wallet. And then of course, they also have a DeFi wallet on there where you can see DeFi farming from 5 to 15% APY, 25 to 49% APY on liquidity pool mining, and 3 to 30% APY on the masternode staking. So that's the that liquidity is being provided from 1inch IO as well. So if you take our masterclass, these are some of the things we've actually talked about before. And it looks like, again, the Zen Wallet hopes to accomplish all of this in one easy click, as it says here. Over 200 plus of the most popular tokens in the world. You can exchange those in seconds on an intuitive interface with liquidity and security provided by Binance. So again, you can read more about the Zen Wallet by clicking on the link at the top of the web page of the Zam.io webpage itself. All right, now I just mentioned it, but to get a little bit more in depth, intelligent investment portfolio. It's a new way that the Zen Wallet and the Zam.io platform is going to be operating. Essentially, intelligent investment portfolios are available in the Zen Wallet app. There's a list of the most popular portfolios, the total number of investors, annual retention, and the trader who's going to be managing the investments. Each portfolio has an author who's going to take care of the invested money. So there's no need to take the risk by investing in unknown assets. Just choose the amount of money to place in. Users can relax and don't check their portfolios every hour to find the best deals. As it says here, they can just follow the experts' actions and get the advantages of profit. So this is something that's been popular in the space. We've seen a little bit with everyone saying, hey, to make trading easy and to take the weight off your back. You can just follow traders, you can follow portfolios. They're saying, hey, you can do all of this in our app and in our wallet with this intelligent investment portfolio. So again, if you go on the documents on Zam.io, you can check more of this out. As you can see here, you can let an expert manage your portfolio. You can look at different experts' portfolio. So whether you want them to manage it or whether you want full control in the trade and manage it yourself, you have the option for both of them. Then here's the interactive interfaces where it shows your portfolio page, what assets your portfolio has been diversified into, and then how to actually buy your first portfolio and use it. So again, check out those intelligent portfolios there. They also tout their ZMorgan protocol. ZMorgan is an on-chain platform for securities-backed crypto lending. It aims to be the agent that allows stock investors to seamlessly transition into blockchain and replicate their capital. So again, they are aiming to expand the cryptocurrency market with real-world financial assets and copy trillions of capital into the new decentralized economy. Of course, we're saying, hey, look at all these securities that we've already seen in the traditional market. People want to tokenize things. Of course, we've heard the saying, if it can be tokenized, it will. They want that to come over to the crypto market. And ZMorgan wants to be the on-chain platform to make this happen. So this goes into great detail. Again, this is the entire protocol. As you can see, they're actually using escrow accounts. You can see Oracle, NASDAQ here, different lenders and pools. So make sure you check this out on your own to go more into detail. But a couple of things I did want to mention about the ZMorgan protocol, what it does bring out, stablecoins. They have two stablecoins, USDZ and AEDZ, which was created to enforce MENA and CIS region economy and attach crypto value to the real world value. So again, one USDZ equals $1 US, and one AEDZ equals one AED, which is pegged to the UAE dirham, which is, of course, in the United Arab Emirates. So for one of the markets, very interesting markets to choose, the Middle East, United Arab Emirates. A lot of money going on there, of course, with oil. And then, of course, they have a United States dollar stablecoin. Two very interesting picks. I kind of like those. But again, they'll be developing these stablecoins out as universal solutions for payments, remittances, banking, trading, and many other business applications. So this is still in the works, but again, you can read more about this as well. All right, the Zam token, of course, will be next. What would you have with a cryptocurrency blockchain ecosystem without their very own token? So the Zam token is a native token that powers the Zamio.io infrastructure, developed as a universal cryptocurrency for CeFi and DeFi. It can be used for payments, fees on the network, cross-border transfers, stock-backed loans, insurance, liquidity mining, staking, or exchange. So it's backed by real revenue generated on the Zamio ecosystem. Part of the revenue is directly invested in Zam. As network adoption increases, the value of Zam increases. That is what Zam.io is touting for their backed by real revenue Zam token. It's supposed to be cross-chain where you have interoperability supported by ERC20 and BEP20. And of course, they've already mentioned they're continuing to develop on this, and more news about the Zam token will also be coming out as well. They hope for this token to shape the future of DeFi. Again, they're still working on it. More news is coming out on a day-to-day basis as these videos are released. So make sure you stay tuned for ways to get that Zam token. You can check it out at zam.io/token. All right, and of course, I have to tell you about the Babylon Academy. Babylon by Zam, as you can see here, where you can learn about crypto and blockchain. Zam is building a revolutionary financial ecosystem that bridges real capital to blockchain and accelerates the transition to the new decentralized economy. For this Babylon Academy, I like it. It has crypto basics, as you see here, the glossary here, Academy. They hope to have tutorials here in the future, blog, and articles about the market. When I just clicked on glossary, I will tell you the thing I like is that it does have that A to Z, all terms in the cryptocurrency space that you always hear that you don't always know. So I think that's important for all academies to have, start talking about terms. And it's something else when you start using a new blockchain, you're looking at intelligent investor, intelligent portfolios. They have a resource for you, just go check it out. They also have crypto basic articles I'm always in favor of that. This is pretty cool to see. A lot of evergreen articles that tell you what's going on in the crypto space. Again, their team launched this about 3 months ago, 3.5 months ago. And so far, they are keeping up with a lot of the new trends in the cryptocurrency space. And then as well, here's their academy where they actually have articles that teach you things like the Fibonacci sequence, crypto market cap, or how to calculate your ROI on your investments. As far as partners, they have a lot of institutional partners. Some are well recognized. Also, their main investors, Pool Ventures, as you can see here, are the founders of the top Launchpad fund out there. So not only are they partners with them, they have Nikhil Capital here, No Capital, Fire, Sky Ventures, Startup Lex. So I always like to see platforms come out with backing, or at least capital backing, just in case something were to happen on that platform. Of course, they've already mentioned some of their strategic partners are Binance. They've actually partnered, I guess, with Ripple, as you can see here, 1inch, which is going to be used for the DeFi, Wire, Wallet One, CEX.io. I know they're pretty popular as well. So a lot of partnerships in this space also. And last but not least, of course, if you do want to follow Zam.io, which we encourage you to check them out and leave a comment under the video and let us know what you think about their wallets, their DeFi, their CeFi, and everything that's going on. You can check them out and follow them with their community under this main page on Zam.io. You scroll to the bottom, follow our community, and they have a Telegram channel for you here, LinkedIn, a Medium page, a Medium channel, a Twitter page, and a YouTube channel as well. We'll make sure to put all those links in the description. And again, I want to say thanks to Zam.io for being today's partner, and make sure you check them out. Leave a comment under the video. Let us know what you think about this platform, about this new protocol, and is this something of the future? Thanks for watching as always. Until next time, cheers.